How are you, grade 10? I hope you are fine. Today we're going to complete our lesson in chapter 9, lesson 9.2, translations. We're going to take the exercise and we're going to revise the lesson. Let's remember what we talked about last session. We talked about translation, and we said that the translation is moving the figure in the vertices of the figure or the points of the figure in the same direction. And we said that the translation is isometry. What the meaning of isometry? That means it has the same, the shape and the size didn't change. Okay? So the figure is congruent to the pre-image or the original figure. Okay? And we talk how to make translation. We said that we're going to make a parallel line parallel to the vector of the translation. Vector which shows me the direction of the translation and the magnitude or the distance of the translation. Okay, magnitude of the vector is my distance. Magnitude of the vector is my distance. And the parallel line is the direction. Okay, and we said that we're going to make a parallel lines, then we're going to measure the distance. We are going to measure the length of the vector, then take it from the each vertices of the figure and make it. Then at the end we are going to connect the points. Okay, very good. And we have main translations across along with the vector. And we said that the vector, as we said before, A and B means A is the horizontal change and B is the vertical change. Here along a horizontal translation, so the X will be X plus the component he gave you, but the Y will stay the same. Here vertical translation, so the Y will stay the same, and so the X will stay the same and the Y will add this component of the vector. Okay, if a general translation, so A and B I'm going to add to X plus A and Y plus B. This is my translation. Okay, and here we said that we are going to take each point and use the vector order pair as my translation. I'm going to add 2 to the X and 4 to the Y for each point here. Okay, and the original figure is called pre-image and the last figure here is called image. Okay, very good. And we took this that if I make the same translation number of times, 6 times, 4 times, 5 times, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this the vector and times it by the number he gave you. He gave me here 6, so I'm going to times it by 6. Then I'm going to add it to the original point. So this will be my translation. This will be my translation. Of course, you can return back to the video to see more explanation for this. Today we're going to solve the practice. Okay, here. Tell whether each transformation appears to be a translation. Here, with the same figure, and go in a certain direction. Yes, this is a transformation. This is translation, sorry. Translation. Okay, and here, no, look. It's not the same figure. It's changed the direction of it, so it's not in the same direction, so it's not translation. Here, do you remember? It's reflection. It's reflection, so it's not translation. So it's what? Not translation. Look here, the figure, it's move in this direction. Okay, all points move here with the same distance and with the same direction. So yes, it's translation. Yes, it's translation. Very good. Let's draw this figure together. We're going to make it here. Draw the translation of each figure along the given vector. How we are going to do this? We said that we're going to make what? Parallel lines from each vertex. So I'm going to make parallel line like this. Okay, very good. And here also parallel line like this. Sorry. Here we're going to make parallel line from the vertex. And another parallel line from here. And parallel line again from here. Okay, with the same, we're going to measure this as 1 centimeter. I'm going to 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Then what we're going to do? We're going to make the points. Here, this is the point, first point. So after we make parallel lines, then we're going to take the same distance, okay, same distance, then put the points, then connect them, okay. Of course, you can do this here also in this direction. I'm going to draw for you the direction. You can complete here, from here, this is okay, and here you must take the same vertex. The vertex. You're going to take parallel and same magnitude. Parallel and same magnitude. Okay. Let's see here. Translate the figure with the given vertices. Translate the figure with the same vertices in 0 and 5. So I have here my point -1 and 3. -1 and 3. Here -1 and 3 up. So this is A. Very good. B 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So this is B. B. C 4 and 4. 4 and 4. 4 and 4. This is C. Okay, and I'm going to join them. Then we're going to get the image. How to get the image? We're going to take the x plus the x component and y plus the y component. So A dash will be what? -1 plus 0 is -1. Is -1. And -5 and 3 is -2. And B dash, let's see B dash. 1 and 0 is 1. One and -5 is -4. Sorry, -4. C dash. Here 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. And -5 plus, 4 plus -5 is -1. So I have here the image. Let's draw it. -1 and -2. -1 and -2. This is the point. Here. This is A dash. B dash 1 and -4. 1 and -4 here. This is B dash. C dash 4 and -1. 4 and -1. This is C dash. then we're going to join them together. Okay, so this is the translation of this figure. Okay, okay. Of course, you can do this the same, and this too, and this. I'm going to help you in the image. Let's see B dash. What we're going to do, negative 1 plus 1. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0. 2 and is 2. 2 and 0 is 2. Very good. Let's see Q dash. 0 and 1. So it will be 0. 3 and 0. So it will be 3. R dash. R dash. 1 and 1 is 2. 2 and 0 is 2. Okay, and S dash. 0 and 1 is 1. And 1 and 0 is 1. Of course, you can plot it in the figure. Okay? Okay. You can do number 9 and number 10 as homework. Okay? As the same as we said here. You're going to get the points, then you're going to plot it. Thank you very much, grade 10. See